What up? What up? My local YouTube family. Hi, hello, how you all doing? Yeah man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. It's your girl, Debbie from Jamaica. Okay? Me know so no see over on the cover there so you know look and I say, are we really a going? I will shed with buckle and fruits and them something there again. Yeah man. If you remember the bottle here, this is the bottle that we use to soak the fruits in for the bun. But listen to me now. We had used half a cup cherry, half a cup raisins and half a cup mixed peel. They don't equal to 1.5 cups altogether. But because we put it for soak and the wine had absorbed it and the volume becomes more, we had more than the 1.5 cups. So we had this left back. So listen now. We are embarking on a Jamaican fruit cake. I call it fruit cake. You guys up there call it black cake or Christmas cake. This fruit cake or Jamaican black cake journey is a more tedious one. It is more than the bun journey. It's a longer journey, so we have to start earlier. Normally we would start like from early January. But we are 4 months behind, but we're still not too late. Normally, we cure off, we do with fruits 1 year ahead. We cure with fruits. That time, the fruits is considered cured in the liquor, the Jamaican wine and rum. Right? So, Easter just finished. The fruits them get, the fruit price them gone down. Typical time, perfect time to go out and get your fruits. What we are going to do, we're going to link in the description what you're going to get. It's going to be a bit different because I'm not going to let you get the mixed peel that you use for the bun. So no mixed peel will be linked unless you want to use it. But if you're following me on my journey, you ain't going to use that one. We're going to teach you right inside here, this little West Indian Delights kitchen, how to make your homemade mixed peel. Okay? So, if you have a small family, also, you can continue on your same size bottle. If you have a bigger family, you can use this. Or if you have a you want to give your friends, because look here, we use a lot of fruits in that, lots. That is how you get it. Lots and lots of fruit. Feel free. You can't have too much. Whatever leave back, you save it for another year. Okay? So, but just show you the different size bottle. The more cake you want to bake, the bigger the bottle you must get to soak your fruits. Okay? Alright, it seems early, but it's not early, guys. Easter just finished. The next lick is summer, and after summer is Thanksgiving / Christmas. Quick o'clock that come. So we are late as I told you before, but we're gonna catch it. So if you want to embark on with me on this journey with me, you gotta come along right now. So just giving you the little information, not the other ingredients, just the fruits and the liquor. Just the fruits and the liquor will be linked in the description. Okay? So listen to me now. We promise you that each video we do, we're gonna give you either 2 at a little perfect English or the standard English for the pattern. When we say follow me, man, it means come along. I'm inviting you, come along. Okay? When you hear me say get a bigger one, it means get one more bigger than the smaller one. You get what I'm saying? Get a bigger one. It means get one more bigger than this one. You understand me? So in other words, little, medium, big. Small, medium, large. So just some of the little basic things that I talk as I go along where you won't understand. As always, when we promise, we do deliver. So remember now, this video is about the Jamaican black cake. It is the Jamaican black cake journey that we are gonna be embarking on now. That's what this video is all about. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to thumbs up the videos, turn on your notification. Please turn on your notification. You don't want anything to come about the black cake and you not get involved. Okay? Leave your comments below. Share the links with your friends and your family, your co-workers. Yes. Tell them man, come along man. Up on YouTube man, type in West Indian Delights, a nice little Jamaican cooking link there. Feel free, come along. Okay? And remember, you know, I'm not cook for, you know, but just telling you what this video is all about. So, again, I must say thank you all for the support. Thank you for the love, and continue to do so. And remember, you know, I'm the same one. You know, me not change. This is my outro. This is my outro. And they be from down a yard.